Welcome back, guys. Welcome back into my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy. And in this tutorial I am going to tell you about how to beautify Samsung mobile, how to make our mobile more attractive, so and some tricks about the icons and the panel here, this panel and this panel, what is we seeing here. So not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel. So let us go to the tutorial. First thing we need to focus is the wallpaper. So from where we can get the wallpaper, just go wallpapers here. Here the features and downloaded wallpapers. We can select any of the wallpaper here, and downloaded wallpapers. From here we can see from where we can download the wallpaper. We'll go and explore more wallpapers. Here we can press, then browse. So here we can see that many attractive wallpapers are here. Fantastic, fantabulous. So but here we are seeing that these are chargeable, some 3782 rupees. So we will go the top here and all. Now we will select the free wallpapers. So now these wallpapers we can get for free only. Here are many good wallpapers are there. You can select anyone. I have downloaded many. You can select any one of your choice. Suppose this. So download it. It is being downloaded. It has been downloaded. We can see it's like this. You can download any wallpaper and you can apply, and you see here. Now we will again go to the wallpapers, downloaded wallpapers. Here it is. Suppose we select this, set as home screen. Now you see the wallpaper has changed. We can set here. I'm not just taking this right now. So this is about the wallpaper, how can we download with free wallpapers and set it here. Second thing I want to tell you about one very useful app, and that app is finelock. In some mobile it comes with goodlock. So we will go, here is the finelock. We can go to the Play Store and we can search goodlock or finelock. Here finelock application is there. We can go and download it. I have downloaded it. Will open. So finelock is there. In finelock we have to download each and everything. These are not installed. Suppose notice star is not installed. So what we need to do, just go there. It will go ask us visit finelock homepage. We will go there. Then we will come down and we will notice star, check it. It will go to the APK mirror, and then from here we can go and download APK. Now it will tell that install it, download anyway. It is downloading. Now we can open it, install it. Now it is done. Notice star has been installed. So we will go back here. Now we can see notice star has come here. So all the installed applications, not installed, will be below, and install. I have installed all. So we will go and first go to the quick star. In quick star, here we see the visibility of indicator icons. Means the indicator icons are these icons which are here. So we will click here, and we suppose for example we do not want to see the signal, mobile data signal. So we just switch it off. Now mobile data signal is not visible. We do not want to see the alarm, then alarm is there. If suppose we are putting it into the airplane mode and we are not want to see this icon here, suppose this is on and we will put it into the airplane mode, this icon has come here, airplane mode. Suppose we do not want to see that icon, so what will we do? Just switch it off. Now icon is not here, although the mobile is in airplane mode, the icon will not be shown here. So coming back, I'm just reverting all the things. So this is the visibility of the indicator icons. And the clock setting, we can see the clock is in our left side, so we can hide the clock, we can set it right here. Now we're back to the original one. This is the clock settings. So this is all about the quick starts. Now we will go to the home up screen. Here we see that home screen, we can decorate the home screen. Here 4x5 icons are here, 4. So we can change it to the home screen grid. That is, suppose we are 7 to 7. Now what will now we can see that this has been changed. Suppose we will revert it back 4 to 5. If app screen grid we have to change, suppose 7 to 7 we are telling, then what will happen? This app screen, that is app screen, it will change. And this is the home screen. So home screen and app screen both can be changed here. How much icon and what size of icon we want, we can change from here. Hide icon, app icon level. If you see you do not want to see the icon level, just press it. Now we will not see any icon level. All has gone. You will not see any, either in home screen or in lock screen. See, nothing is coming. So this is now revert will back. This is all about the home screen. Now we will again go back and we will go to the task changer. In task changer, what can, if it is not enabled, we will enable it, and then we can, this is in stack mode. Now we can see in the list mode. Now the icons will show here. Suppose we click here, it will come like this. Suppose we are changing it to the grid mode. Now it will show like this. Suppose we have changed into the vertical stack, it will come like this. So depending upon your choice, you can change it. So this is about the, I will go to the stack. This is my favorite. So now we will come to the goodlock. In goodlock there is quick start, we have already told you. Then theme park is there. In theme park you can change the theme, you can create new themes. Just click here and you can change the icons also. Suppose I am creating a new, I have clicked it, this I have to select. Next. Now we can see, if we select this, we can change the, suppose this, select the theme style. Now this theme will come. We can change theme style, we can save it, we can change the icon also, and we can download it. So this is about the theme park. Suppose if we want to change the icons, so pure icon changer is there. This is an app, we have to download it from a Play Store. From here we can change the icon of any. Suppose this is a Candy Crush Saga, we have to select it. Now we can change it to any. Suppose we want to change to the setting. Now setting icon will come, and if we play this, Candy Crush game will start. So this is all about the icon change. These are some methods by you can beautify your Samsung mobile. If you like this video, please share with the friends. There are much information in this video. If you will tell me about making a video about any single information, just like home screen or icons here, I will cover in the next video. Thank you very much, friends. Once again, I request you, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.